What's up, guys? Biker Dave here in the 2017 Dodge Durango RT. This will apply to many different Durango models and possibly other Chrysler products that have the Uconnect screen like you see here. If you would like to enable or disable a thing called forward collision warning, there's a sensor on the front of this vehicle, and if it detects that a car has slammed on their brakes in front of you, you can actually either turn that on or off. It's actually quite handy. It saved my butt a few times, even though I was completely paying attention, but it still saved me from possibly bumping into someone in front of me who slammed on their brakes. You can turn it on with this check mark here. How you get to it, like here's from your radio screen. Look for the settings button. It might be somewhere else around your screen, so just look for it. Go to settings and look for safety and driving assistance. You might have to scroll up or down to get to that. Go there. And up at the top, forward collision warning. Check it or uncheck it. And you can also adjust how far away you want the sensor to detect. You want it to be near, medium, far. I like the near setting personally, but believe it or not, the car will actually beep pretty strongly with a notification on the screen. The brakes will be applied. I think it's pretty cool. I mean, yeah, it's a great thing to control a car yourself, but sometimes some nitwit, cuts in front of you or slams on their brakes quickly, and it totally caught you off guard. The car will hit the brakes for you, so that's kind of cool. And the warning is right here also for active braking. It's a pretty awesome little feature. And then just check or uncheck if you want to use it or not. Go back to your radio screen and do what you were doing. If our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen. Shoot us a donation. We really appreciate it. No matter if it's our video or any other monetized YouTube video, if their video saved your life or really helped you solve a problem, do the right thing and send a little donation by hitting the thanks button underneath the screen. And look at our other videos. We've got hundreds of other videos relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, all kind of cool stuff. And how to fix things and just whatnot. You'll see it. We'll have the thumbnails pop up at the end of this video, and look for the other links in the description, as well as our social media stuff and YouTube, eBay and Amazon links, all that kind of cool stuff. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.